Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter alpha using LaTeX code to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook. So alpha is the first letter in the Greek alphabet, and to add it, we'll start by creating a new Markdown cell. And here we'll add in alpha. The code here is / followed by the word alpha. And then for Jupyter Notebook in Markdown cells to actually show it and process this LaTeX code, we need to add $2 symbols before the code, as well as $2 symbols after the code. And so once we run this cell, we can then see the alpha here centered in the middle. So this is how to add the Greek letter alpha to a Markdown cell in Jupyter Notebook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.